Hey. So the girls have asked about a brow tutorial, okay? Today I don't have the pencil that I normally use. I'm trying out something new because they didn't have what I needed at the store today. I'm using the micro brow pencil by NYX. I don't know nothing about it, but we're gonna see what it do though. Anyways, it's got a real fine tip right there. You see that? And a spoolie. Gotta have a spoolie. Anyways, I take my brows and I brush them up first, right? And then I just create a line right under there. Okay, let me trace out my line. And I don't care because I'm gonna end up doing my concealer and all that too. But I wanted y'all to see how it works. Here, I brush down. And I also create a line above those hairs. My brows may not be perfect, but I don't like nobody else on my brows. So filling them in is what I like best. Never perfect, but it works. Anyway, before I start to fill in where I see spaces in here, I literally brush what I already put on and kind of see what it looks like, okay? I'm gonna go back in, bring this over just a little bit, not too much. I don't like to do too much fake looking brow, but if you do, literally just take it and do fine hair strokes. You see that? The fine hair stroke. And then blend it back out. Then you can just go in and fill in where you see or think that it looks empty. And this part, I don't want it to be like bold, so I always just really brush it and make it look like I want it to look. I don't know, some of y'all like the thicker look. I like a more natural brow more than anything. So you can see I got my nice little arch. I'm missing a little bit of color here, so I'm gonna go in and fill right there. And we got a brow, okay? Do the same thing that I just did on this brow. And my brows probably ain't gonna be twins. Most of the time they ain't. Takes a lot of work to get twin brows. But I try my best to make them match. They don't even look the same in real life, so you know. Let it do what it do. Anyways, I'm going in, filling in. Don't really care because I'm gonna be using concealer. I think I said that already, but blend that out. Do my fine hair strokes because I don't want no bold stuff on my face. And blend it more and more. Anyways, this brow is a little thicker than that one. It always has been. It is what it is. You can take concealer and do what you need to do to make them look as much alike as possible. Anyway, because I'm not about to do my makeup, I don't feel like it today. This is the kind of brush I use. It's a round tip brush. You see that? Nice round tip. And I'm gonna use a concealer that's as close as possible to my skin because I'm not doing my makeup today. Anyway, get a little bit of the product. And you go under the brow. And just create a fine line. It's never perfect, but you know, you do your thing. And then just kind of pull it down or blend it with the brush. Make sure you got a nice clean line. And like I said, because I'm not finna do my makeup, I honestly probably would just take my hand and blend this in to make it look more natural. And I'm gonna do the same thing up top. Just take the brush. I don't want to use too much product because, like I said, I'm not doing my face. But I still want to make sure that my line is defined. So you go up top, do what you need to do. And here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just blend it into my skin because I'm not about to do my face. See, we got a nice little clean brow real quick. And I know y'all be laughing at my accent. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I'm country. Because I'm sitting here listening to myself and I'm getting on my own nerves. I don't know if I get on y'all's, but I'm definitely getting on mine. I never even realized my accent till y'all started pointing it out. Anyways. I think I can dig this little brow pencil or whatever, even though it's not what I typically use. I think I can get with it. I believe I can. I look a little bit awake now because that concealer is a little bit lighter than me. But honestly, I wasn't worried about it because I just wanted to show y'all the technique. This hair in the way though. Same up here. Hope I didn't jack up something. Whatever. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna create my line. Just like I did on the other side. I look tired, y'all. I am tired. Work been kicking my butt, but I'm here though. Anyway. And I be brushing just to make sure like my brows are sitting the way I want them to. Because I might have messed them up trying to put the brush against it. If you ever do, you honestly can just fix it. But anyway, like I said, not perfect, but got some filled in brows. I need to cut my brows like with some scissors because this one is like up here. It's got a lot of extra hair. I don't like it. But anyways, see, my brows don't look so naked anymore. But that's what you do. Now, I'm gonna start listening to what y'all need. I did look at that post. I'm gonna start paying attention to that. And, you know, showing y'all little different tips and tricks that I use. Got questions? Anything? Let me know.